All right, guys, Captain Paul here, and today I want to just do a quick, I want to put the footage up of Carl actually bringing Snapdragon out of the Edison Ford Marina because it was very, very technical, and he's come such a long ways. I mean, Snapdragon's a 58 LRC. Overall length is right under about 64 feet, and we're bringing it out of a very tight situation. The slip isn't bad. It's coming around this corner, and there's a lot of big yachts sitting there in our way, and he just does an amazing job and just nails it. And I just want to share that raw footage with you guys of him bringing it out of the Edison Ford Marina, and he was watching Carl and Dee grow as boaters, and this trip was all about them doing most of the maneuvering, which he has done all of it. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and here you go. Okay. There's no lines. Everybody, all lines are clear right now. All lines on port are clear. All right, both engines forward. Okay, neutral, both engines. We're looking good, Carl. Okay, Aaron, he's gonna need to know when he's clear. One more bump, both engines forward. Okay. Get all the way up front, D, and let him know when how many feet he's got up there. All right, we're clear on the stern. We're clear, right, Aaron? All right. All right, so start thrusting and use your thruster too. Give your reverse engine a little fuel. Keep your forward engine in. There you go. You're starting to go backwards, so take the fuel off the reverse engine. Where's he at, Aaron? Are we looking good? How many feet? Forward engine a little fuel. Okay, that's it. Go back to reverse. There you go. Nice job, Carl. It's tight in here. Super tight. And you're all the way clear on the stern. Now let's get that front end all the way around. Okay. Now start coming off of it now. Both engines back to neutral. Okay, let's go forward a little bit. Just starboard engine. There you go. Stern, you're perfect right now. Okay. Go to port a little bit, Carl. There you go. That's good. Okay, this is where it's going to get tricky, Carl. Okay. Now we're going to want no forward and no reverse momentum. We're just going to want to keep coming forward, and then we're going to start our turn to the starboard. All right, start your turn to starboard. So give it all the thruster. Give that port engine. Nope, I think you're good right there. You're right here on the dock. You've got about 10 feet. Yep, you're all right, Carl. How are we looking on the back, Aaron? Okay, keep thrusting to starboard. Okay, forward on your. How many feet is he off there, D, from that boat? Okay, that's good. Just keep thrusting over. You're doing an amazing job, Carl. Amazing. All right. You did perfect, Carl. Go to starboard engine reverse. There you go. All right, you're completely clear on this wall over here. Amazing job, Carl. Amazing job.
Benny, not to go too far there.
Yeah, start turning now.
How's our ass in, Darren?
You're clear. Give that engine a little. Just go to the left. Good, just thrust. Yeah, there you go. Nice job, Carl. Now we just keep those greens on our starboard, right?
Yeah, on your starboard.
Yeah, okay.
Navigate in the channel, but as close as possible to the green buoys.
Okay, as close as you can to the starboard side on those green buoys, and keep them as close as you can.
Thank you for coming. Hope to see you back soon.
All right, thank you so much, brother. We appreciate it. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it. How was that, Carl? You did really freaking awesome. I think it was because we had a game plan. We talked about it, and we executed the plan exactly what we were going to do. So this is it. We're heading to the dry Tortugas. Clear these last couple little channel markers. That was the tightest. It wasn't the marina. It was the actual getting in and out of that marina.
Yeah, he was good.
Yeah, but that guy knew what he was doing. Even the kid yesterday said this guy has a lot more experience.
Well, the way he was guiding me from that boat was perfect. He knew exactly where we needed to
Yeah, he knew what to do.
Woo, she's shallow.
Again, so from the dry Tortugas, Carl and Dee are having such a great time, and the boat is handling amazingly, and as a team, they're doing fantastic. Couldn't ask for any more. Make sure you guys show your support and leave your comments down below, and just tell them what a great job they're doing. And we appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much. Couldn't do this channel without you guys, and you have no idea the appreciation that I have. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you live life with no regret. Dee and Carl both live their life with no regret, I'm sure. Thanks, guys. Bye.